So today we have a trivial question related to GATE 2025 group theory. You see. So the question states that let G be a group and G and H are two elements of G such that there are two conditions. First one is G is different from identity and G square equals E. And second one is G inverse equals H squared. Then for what value of least positive integer n, H to the power n would be equals E. So this has been asked. Okay. So using this given information, we have written G inverse equals S square. So with the help of this, I am trying to find the value of H4. So it is nothing but H square into H square. We have substituted the value of H square from here. It's this place. So we shall get G a G inverse, G a G inverse. Now this would be equals identity. So we shall left with G H H G inverse and H into E, as you know, by what? Identity property as E identity element. So H into E would be H itself and H into H square. So it would be G H square G inverse. Now again H square is involved here, and you can substitute the value of S square as from this place. Value of H square you can substitute from this place as G as G inverse. So it would be G as G inverse. And this G and G inverse would be remain as earlier. So we will finally get G into G, that is G square, H, G inverse into G inverse, that is G inverse minus 2. Now, so it is G square H, G power minus 2. Now, we have been given G square E, so we can directly substitute G square as G, but if G square E, then G square inverse would be E inverse and inverse would be E. So we can substitute that G power minus 2 by E inverse, and again inverse is E. So finally we shall left with E H E, and again the E is identity. So identity, the property of identity element, we shall get finally this as H only. So H4 would be equals H, that imply on cancellation, as in a group cancellation property holds. So after cancelling H from both sides, we'll get HQ equals E, and we have been told to find the minimum value of n such that H to the power n is E. So H to the power n is E, and we have to find the minimum value of n, and you can clearly see that minimum value of n is 3. So okay, thanks.